So I got these 3 mini cutting boards from Hobby Lobby in the fall decor section. They measure about 7.5 by 3.5 inches. And I started by taking and using some my Gen Foam brush in General Finishes Antique Gel Stain. The color was Antique Walnut. And I covered all 3 of the mini cutting boards. I did the front and the sides, and I should have done the back of them as well. Once they were fully covered, you just take some paper towel and you just wipe off the extra gel stain. Then right after I applied the gel stain, before I allowed it to dry, I took my Klingon brush and some Antique Villa Wise Owl paint, and I just painted on top of the gel stain. I just like how this comes out when the gel stain and the Antique Villa kind of blend in together. And then I allowed those to dry. And once they were fully dry, I just set them side by side and flipped them over. And using some popsicle sticks and some wood glue, I put some wood glue in between each cutting board and then on the back of the popsicle sticks to hold the 3 of them together. And I just lightly clamped them while the glue dried. Once the glue had dried, I'd got these galvanized metal letters from Walmart. They came in a pack and it says EAT. And I got them for, I believe it was $2.85. And then I found these metal spoon and fork from Hobby Lobby. They were $2.50, but I got them when the metal was 50% off. So using some E6000, I put some right on the crease where the 2 cutting boards met. And I placed the fork on the right side and the spoon on the left side. After I had my spoon and fork set, I then went back to my galvanized letters that spell EAT, and they are self-adhesive, but I still took some E6000 and put a little on the back of them. And then once everything was placed down on the mini cutting boards, I allowed the E6000 to dry. I then took 3 pieces of jute and I cut them all at the same length. And then I just tied them at the top through the hole there. And you can hang anything from the top here. And now we just have this simple wall decor that says EAT. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials on our webpage or our YouTube channel. Have a great day.